Now you'll notice there is still some slack, but that is very much intended, because with this slack we have our base sheet here, our floor sheet there, and we can have this pulled all the way out like that, so that even we don't have enough floor space, we can still bring it out to have cover underneath. And now I'm going to get this guy line here, bring it all the way over here, nice and tight. Try and follow this line going up here. Bring that to about there. And this just means that it's not cramped inside. You look at that, look at the difference between this and this.